All right, Scooter Pack fans, let's finish out score with some Pro Set football. Now, we're doing this at the tail end of score packages because the packages are very similar to the score packages with these poly packs here. We're going to do 2 videos, 2 packages each video, and these are going to be, I'm not sure how many's in here, to be honest with you. A lot of errors where corrected cards were made in the 1991 Pro Set Football Series 1. Series 1 is 405 cards, so not really going to, there's too many errors to really keep track of, so I'll have to keep track of them after the fact. Let's pull the first 2 poly packs out. This will be video 1 of 2, packs 1 and 2. As usual, we get our Playbook 5, which you get in every pack. Corners are looking good for the most part. Picked up this box from McNulty Sports Cards. We start with Jim Everett. And there's the backs of them. John Alt. Carl Mecklenburg. Michael Carter. Head coach for the Phoenix Cardinals, Joe Bugle. Jeff Query. Eric Andolsek. Harry Hamilton. Steve Smith. Steve Wisniewski. Milestone Road Winning Streak. It's talking about the San Francisco 49ers. That's a cool card there. Here's an officials card. We've got Tom White. These are cool cards. Shows a calling. Pat Swilling. 1990 Lombardi Award winner Chris Zorich. It's a beautiful painting type card of Barry Sanders. Very cool on the Barry Sanders. Here is Pro Set World League. This is going to be Mike Perez, quarterback for the Frankfurt Galaxy. And then Orlando Thunder. With their 1991 schedule. All right, not bad on that first poly pack. Does it say how many cards you get? It does not. All right, pack number 2. Guess it doesn't matter, right? Pack number 2, there is our Playbook 5, as usual. For cards, we've got Steve Atwater. Andre Reed. Michael Brooks. Hart Lee Dykes. Super Bowl 25 replay. Norwood misses field goal. Ooh, I bet you that sucked. Between the Buffalo Bills and the New York Giants. Rodney Petey. Henry Thomas, Gil Bird, Mike Merriweather, Super Bowl 25 replay between the Buffalo Bills and the New York Giants. Lofton makes 61 yard catch. That's cool. We've got Mark Carrier, 1990 Pro Set Defensive Rookie of the Year. That's going to be card number 1. And actually, there were 2 card number 1s. There was not a card number 2. I'm not sure what the value is on that one, but very cool. Got Mike Singletary, 1990 NFL Man of the Year. NFL Newsreel card, Jankovic hired to rebuild Patriots. That's interesting. New CEO takes over in Foxborough. Got a painting card there, right on the tip of my tongue. That coach there, Jimmy Johnson. That's a cool painting card of Jimmy Johnson. Beautiful looking card. And then Pro Set World League cornerback for the London Monarchs, Corus Irvin. Very cool. All right, folks, there you have it. 1991 Pro Set Football Series 1. All right, 14 card poly packs. So there were 14 cards in those poly packs. Video 1 of 2, packs 1 and 2. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned. We're fixing to do 2 more packs in video 2.